Hello everyone, in this video, we will check out the new myths of the new 3.9.0 update. The first myth is, if you go to the big farm map and get up to this lake, then we will see such an octopus. And yet the octopus did not appear, which means that the myth turned out to be fake. The second myth is that if you build a flower on the Magic Forest map, then a new butterfly skin will arrive. Now we have to wait. I don't see anyone on the horizon yet. I waited a very long time, and this skin never appeared, which means the myth turned out to be fake.